Scotty, what's happening?
So we've got everything back together, bolted into place. No more.
Wow. Nice
Nice
job.
and tight. And watch,
Oh, yeah.
the radiator's no longer moving. So we got the right, took us a couple tries, but we got the right
Yeah, they
ones.
finally sent us the right little rubbers.
Yeah, exactly. So the radiator's done and taken care of. I have all the transmission lines bolted up into place. All the hoses are done and taken care of. The cross brace is back on like it's supposed to be. We have the heater core bypassed, so we're good.
Carburetor, there's going to be another video on discussing, because there's some issues after it's been cleaned and I'm getting ready to work on reassembly.
Right.
There's some thread issues.
Oh, crap. Okay.
Like whoever rebuilt it prior cranked it. That's why it ran kind of weird. That's why it leaked.
Yeah.
Because, well, I'll show you in the next video. But yeah, there's let's just say some things are stripped that shouldn't be stripped.
Okay, well, you're the king of the carburetors when it comes to that stuff, so I'm not even going to question on that one.
I need to weigh the options too, though, on do we just get a reman or do we fix these threads and finish this one? Because at this point, it's half in one hand, but we'll go over that. Interrupted by some stupid
spam phone call.
Spam BS. Oh, this.
Oh, yeah, there we go. That's why I always have everybody double check. It's always a good route to go.
Good. But we're right there. No, it goes on top. It absolutely goes on top.
It does not want to go back in that hole.
That's what she said. Okay, we got started. We'll finalize it once we get everything else. You have nice new radiators in.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it
fits good.
Yeah.
Just had to get the right rubbers for it.
Yep.
So, yeah, we were talking
everything's
about
buttoned
carb.
up front, minus the carb. Cooling system's been topped off, which we can't do anything until we have the carb, so we can't bleed any of the systems yet. We've got brake fluid coming, so we can do that, but because we can't put this up on the lift, I'm going to have Bobby. Here, let's get this closed back up again and get it covered. Pull that car cover up a little bit.
Yes, sir. The prophylactic.
You'll never believe the name of the new ones that we're using.
Oh, I saw they said car condom. It's awesome.
I'm like, that was funny. But they do great, and even for the larger cars, they cover like 98% of the car, which I'm really happy with.
All right, so.
So, oh God, I hate doing this.
Are we going down together?
You won't make it. Sorry.
You want the light?
Yes, please.
Light. Oh, I see where we're at. You okay?
This is not exactly the most pleasant thing to be doing.
The new hose is in there?
Can you even see any in there?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna steal
I
that
can
from you.
hand you off.
And then
There you go.
we've got the new hose in. It's just so difficult to try and get. I barely have any room for my fingers and my hands, but it's in. The clip to hold the hose in place up here is over on my toolbox with my wrenches. So when we get this back up in the air, because I'm not doing this on the ground, it's just too much, we will have this all done. And to show you why you're not going to fit.
Yeah, you don't even fit. I had to pull you out by your legs earlier.
I can't even breathe full. So at that point, I'm just going to call this is in and done. And we will see you guys. Well, you'll see Bobby on the next one.